Hello everyone and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
a cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
If you follow us on Instagram, you know how much I love the taste of tamarind. I even eat it raw sometimes. So today we're going to be showing you how to make Puliyogare, which is a South Indian version of a tamarind rice dish. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking!
We are gonna start by roasting some of our ingredients. Heat a pan at low heat and add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Roast them for a few minutes and remove and set them aside. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander seed and roast them for a few minutes. Then remove this as well. Add 3 tablespoons of urad or black gram dal and roast until the color deepens. Remove and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn and roast them for a few minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and roast them for less than 1 minute. Add a little bit of oil and roast 10 dried red chilies until they puff up. Turn off the stove and roast 1/4 cup of dried coconut until it colorizes. Add all roasted ingredients along with 2 tablespoons of chana dal to a mixer grinder. Grind it to a fine powder.
Create about 1.5 cups of tamarind pulp by taking a half block of tamarind and soaking it in water. Soak it for at least 30 minutes, then add it to a heated kadai. Bring this to a boil, then add your grinded powder a little bit at a time. And stir until it thickens. Then add 1 cup of jaggery powder, and mix well. Add salt to taste and add more than you would usually use because this is going to be mixed with rice. Once everything becomes aromatic and it's not sticking to the bottom of the kadai as you mix it, turn off the heat. Add about 10 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it to medium. This oil is going to act as a preservative so that you can store this paste and use it multiple times. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add a half teaspoon of hing and a half cup of peanuts or ground nuts. Fry for a few minutes. Then add 3 dried red chilies and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry for another few minutes. Then add a handful of curry leaves. Add this tempering to your paste. You can keep some of it aside for garnishing later if you'd like. And mix well. You can store this paste in the fridge and use it for up to 2 weeks. Take 2 cups of cooked and cooled rice. And mix about 2 tablespoons worth of paste into it. Make sure the rice is completely coated. Garnish with your leftover tempering and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. So that is it for today. Thank you all for watching our Karnataka style tamarind rice video. We hope you all enjoyed it, and if you do, it really helps us out a lot as a growing channel if you hit that subscribe button for us, or just hit the like button or leave us a comment and let us know what you thought of the recipe. Anything helps, we're all for it. But we're going to go ahead and give this a try, and then we will see you all next week with more videos and more recipes.
Oh, I love it. Nice.
Delicious. All right, we'll see you all next week.
Bye.
Bye.